Lesson 16. Direct and Indirect Speech. Let's warm up initiative and self-direction. Read all the messages received by Sanchit, a help desk executive in a hotel. You can also read the report he prepared of his calls. Encircle the connectives used in the report and underline the reporting verb. Discuss how some of the words have changed in the report. 1. What an excellent lunch you serve. 2. Will you book us a cab to the airport? 3. My geyser is not working. 4. Can we have our dinner now? 5. Please give me a wake-up call at 6. 6. Why are our bed covers dirty? 1. The gentleman exclaimed that the lunch they served was excellent. 2. The trader inquired if Rohan could book them a cab to the airport. 3. A man complained that his geyser was not working. 4. The kids asked if they could have their dinner then. 5. Sharada requested Rohan to give her a wake-up call at 6. 6. The new guests asked why their bed covers were dirty. Let's observe analytical skills. Read the following sentences. 1. Ram says, she likes to play tennis. 2. Ram says that she likes to play tennis. What do you observe in the above sentences? Let's learn conceptual learning. When the speaker speaks the actual words, it is called the direct speech. When the main idea of a speaker's words is represented by another person and the exact words are not spoken by him is called an indirect speech. Grammar Connect. Direct speech is always enclosed within quotation marks, helping to distinguish to speaker's words from rest of the text. Rules for changing direct speech into indirect speech. There are certain rules to be followed while changing direct speech into indirect speech. Change in reporting verb. The words said, told, and asked are the most common verbs used in indirect speech. We convert said to into told. Example: Raju said to me, I feel tired. Raju told me he felt tired. We use said without an object. Example: Raghav said, I am going to rest. Raghav said he was going to rest. The other reporting verbs include accused, admitted, advised, alleged, agreed, apologized, begged, boasted, complained, denied, explained, implied, invited, offered, ordered, promised, replied, suggested, and thought. When the reporting verb is in past tense, the tense of the reported speech changes as follows. Change in tenses. Direct speech. Indirect speech. Simple present changes to simple past. She said, I write a letter. She said that she wrote a letter. Present continuous changes to past continuous. Rashmi said, she is listening to the music. Rashmi said that she was listening to the music. Present perfect changes to past perfect. He said, she has finished her homework. He said that she had finished her homework. Present perfect continuous changes to past perfect continuous. He said, I have been studying since 5 o'clock. He said that he had been studying since 5 o'clock. Simple past changes to past perfect. He said to me, you answered right. He told me that I had answered right. Past continuous changes to past perfect continuous. They said, we were enjoying the picnic. They said that they had been enjoying the picnic. Past perfect changes to past perfect. Tense does not change. She said she had visited a doctor. She said that she had visited a doctor. Simple future will changes to would. He said, I will study the lesson. He said that he would study the lesson. Future continuous will be changes to would be. I said to him, I will be waiting for you. I told him that I would be waiting for him. Future perfect will have changes to would have. He said, I will have finished the project. He said that he would have finished the project. The tense of reported speech may not change if reported speech is a universal truth. Example: he said, the sun rises in the east. Direct speech: he said that the sun rises in the east. Indirect speech: change in kinds of sentences. Interrogative sentences. To change interrogative sentences into indirect speech, the word if or whether is used before the question in indirect speech. The word that is not used between reporting verb and reported speech as conjunction. The reporting verb used in the reported speech will be asked. Question mark is not used in indirect speech. Examples: direct speech, indirect speech. She said to me, do you like music? She asked me if I liked music. She asked me whether I liked music. He said, will she participate in the quiz? He asked me if she would participate in the quiz. I said to him, are you feeling well? I asked him if he was feeling well. They said to me, did you go to the market? They asked me if I had gone to the market. He said to me, have you taken lunch? He asked me if I had taken lunch. He said to me, how are you? He asked me how I was. Teacher said to her, what is your name? Teacher asked her what her name was. She asked her son, why are you sad? She asked her son why he was sad. Imperative sentences. To change imperative sentences into indirect speech. Words like ordered, requested, advised or suggested are added to the reporting verb depending upon the nature of the imperative sentence in indirect speech. The word to plus verb is sometimes used between the reporting verb and the reported speech. Examples: direct speech, indirect speech. He said to me, please come here. He requested me to come there. She said to him, you should work hard for exam. She suggested him to work hard for exam. He said, close the door. He ordered to close the door. The teacher said to the students, do not waste time. The teacher advised the students not to waste time. Exclamatory sentences. To change exclamatory sentences into indirect speech, phrases like exclaimed with joy, exclaimed with sorrow, or exclaimed with wonder are added to the reporting verb depending upon the nature of the exclamatory sentences in indirect speech. Examples: direct speech, indirect speech. She said, hurrah! I won the prize. She exclaimed with joy that she had won the prize. Jill said, wow! What a great monument this is! Jill exclaimed with wonder that it was a great monument. He said, alas! I failed in my exam. He exclaimed with sorrow that he failed in his exam. Change in modals. To change sentences that have modals into indirect speech, modals like can, may, and must change to could, might, and had to, respectively. Models like would, could, might, should, and ought to do not change. Examples: direct speech, indirect speech. Can changes to could. She said, I can drive a bike. She said that she could drive a bike. May changes to might. He said, I may buy a house. He said that he might buy a house. Must changes to had to. He said, I must work harder. He said that he had to work harder. Would. They said, we would apply for the course. They said that they would apply for the course. Could. She said, I could play the violin. She said that she could play the violin. Might. He said, guests might not come. He said that guests might not come. Should. He said, I should avail the discount. He said that he should avail the discount. Ought to. She said to me, you ought to speak to him. She told me that I ought to speak to him. Change in pronouns. While changing direct speech into indirect speech, the pronoun of the sentence is changed. The first person pronoun of direct speech is changed according to the subject speaker of the reporting verb. Examples: direct speech, indirect speech. She said, I live in Mumbai. She said that she lived in Mumbai. She said, I bought a book. She said that she had bought a book. They said, our house is old. They said that their house is old. The third person pronoun of direct speech will not be changed in indirect speech. Examples: direct speech, indirect speech. They said, she will come. They said that she would come. You said. They are singing a song. You said that they were singing a song. She said, it is raining heavily. She said that it was raining heavily. The first person pronoun of direct speech will not be changed if the pronoun of the reporting verb is also a first person pronoun. Examples: direct speech, indirect speech. I said, I have got a scholarship. I said that I had got a scholarship. We said, we want justice. We said that we wanted justice. The second person pronoun of direct speech is changed according to the object of the reporting verb. Examples: direct speech, indirect speech. She said to him, you are kind. She told him that he was kind. He said to them, you are brilliant students. He told them that they were brilliant students. She said to them, your dresses are beautiful. She told them that their dresses were beautiful. Change in time and place. Direct speech. Indirect speech. Today. That day, the same day. Tomorrow. The next day, the following day. Yesterday. The day before the previous day. Next week, month, year. The following week, month, year. Last week, month, year. The previous week, month, year. Now, just. Then. Ago. Before. Here. There. This. That.